5 years from now, you'll either say, wow, I really turned my life around, or, wow, I'm in the same place I was 5 years ago. And believe it or not, it all comes down to one choice. Not a new planner, not a shiny productivity app, not even that YouTube video you saved but never watched. I'm talking about a ridiculously simple decision, one that sounds fake until it changes everything. It's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter, and it starts in the first hour after you wake up. Right after you wake up, your brain is in neuroplastic mode. That means it's soft like wet clay. What you press into it sticks. This is your golden hour, your mental launch pad, your secret weapon. Use it right, and the rest of your day bends in your favor. So let's break it down. Here are 5 powerful habits to transform your mornings and your study game forever. Step 1. Drink water. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your brain is dehydrated, and a dehydrated brain is a distracted brain. Chug water like your goals depend on it, because they literally do. Within minutes, you'll feel more awake, more focused, and more ready to take in new information. Your brain is like a sponge in the morning. Hydrate it and it absorbs knowledge faster. Step 2. Move your body. No, you don't need a full workout. Just stretch, walk, or do 10 push-ups. Wake your body, wake your mind. Movement increases blood flow to the brain. That means better memory, faster thinking, and stronger concentration. Even 2 minutes of movement flips the switch from groggy to focused. Step 3. Write one clear goal. Not a to-do list, not 20 random things. Just one. One clear study goal that matters today. Write it down. See it. Own it. You don't need willpower, you need clarity. Psychologist Dr. Gail Matthews found that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. This is how you create momentum. Step 4. Learn something real. Read 5 pages. Watch a focused study video. Listen to a podcast that fuels your growth. Give your brain fuel, not fluff. This is when your brain's in absorb mode. And when you feed your mind deliberately, you're not just learning, you're building your future self. Step 5. Protect the hour. No social media, no emails, no messages. This hour is sacred. You are not available. This first hour sets the tone for your focus, your mood, and your entire day. Guard it like it's everything, because it is. Every time you wake up and follow these 5 steps, you're casting a vote, not with words, with action. A vote for the disciplined, focused version of you. The one that shows up when it's hard. The one that doesn't wait for motivation, they create it. 1 intentional hour a day. That's 365 hours a year. 15 full days of deliberate growth. Stack that for 5 years, and you've built a master's degree in yourself. Remember, small hinges swing big doors. And this hinge, the one that swings open the future you say you want, is your alarm clock. Not a $2,000 course. Not a secret study hack. Just showing up daily. The next 5 years are coming whether you take control or not. So ask yourself, will you be binge-watching someone else's success, or will you be the one writing your own? The choice is yours. But whatever you do, don't hit snooze on this hour, because you're not just wasting minutes, you're wasting a future that could be yours.